Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Emcor Group. This is ticker EME. Now, this is not a high flyer like Bitcoin or MicroStrategy like Dan Fitzpatrick was talking about last night. I mainly trade Bitcoin and crypto and all that stuff, and those are high volatility assets, and this is really not that. This is more of a slow grower, but it's been in a nice uptrend here since September. And so maybe you're looking for something that might calm down a little of the volatility in your portfolio, and I think this has some potential. From a technical basis, again, Emcor is in a nice strong uptrend above all the major moving averages, and we can see the 21-day EMA is pretty clear support here. The stock hasn't closed under the 21-day EMA since back here in November, so that's pretty clear support, and we can draw a bit of an upward sloping channel here and show that this stock is definitely printing higher lows as it's in consolidation. Now, it's also printing lower highs as it's in consolidation. So we have a bit of a pinching pattern here. And so what I would look for on Emcor is a move above $520 and a close above that zone coming on volume. So ideally, it can break out of this little pinching pattern that it's in, move above, close strong, and maybe give you another leg up in this uptrend if it does continue. Now, earnings for this company aren't till February, so you have a lot of time before you have to worry about anything like that. And as long as this stock can hold above the 21-day EMA, I think it's probably one that could be just a calm, steady Eddie trade in your portfolio. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I'd love to show my full list to you, but I want you to click that link, take a trial, and then I'll see you on the other side.